In the shadowy corridors of military intelligence agencies across Washington, London, and Tokyo, a new term has begun appearing in classified briefings with alarming frequency: adaptive optical camouflage. And at the center of this concern stands China, which, according to multiple defense sources, has successfully developed and tested what may be the world's first functional invisibility suit for military personnel. A technology that could fundamentally rewrite the rules of modern warfare within the next 24 to 36 months. According to reports first published by the South China Morning Post and subsequently analyzed by defense research groups, including Jane's Defense Weekly and the International Institute for Strategic Studies, Chinese military researchers have achieved a breakthrough in quantum stealth technology, creating a wearable system that can bend light around a soldier's body, rendering them virtually invisible to the naked eye at distances exceeding 100 meters and significantly harder to detect even at closer ranges. But what makes this development particularly alarming is not just the technology itself, but the speed at which China has moved from theoretical research to practical deployment. According to data compiled by the Center for Strategic and International Studies, Chinese investment in metamaterial research has increased by approximately 340% over the past 5 years, with over $2.8 billion allocated specifically to military applications of optical camouflage between 2019 and 2024. Compare this to the estimated $600 million the United States has invested in similar programs during the same period, and the scale of China's commitment becomes immediately apparent. The technology behind this invisibility suit represents a convergence of multiple advanced fields. At its core are metamaterials, artificially engineered structures with properties not found in nature, capable of manipulating electromagnetic waves, including visible light. According to technical papers published by researchers at Zhejiang University and the National University of Defense Technology, the Chinese system uses millions of microscopic hexagonal units, each smaller than a wavelength of light, bedded into a flexible fabric-like material. These units can be electrically controlled to change their refractive properties in milliseconds, effectively steering light around the wearer rather than reflecting it. What distinguishes the Chinese approach from earlier attempts at invisibility technology, including those developed by DARPA and various Western defense contractors, is the integration of real-time environmental mapping. According to leaked technical specifications analyzed by RAND Corporation researchers, the Chinese suit incorporates an array of micro cameras and sensors that continuously scan the surrounding environment. This data is processed by an onboard artificial intelligence system, which then instructs the metamaterial panels to display the appropriate background imagery, essentially projecting what is behind the soldier onto the front of the suit, creating a chameleon-like effect that adapts dynamically as the wearer moves. Field tests conducted at People's Liberation Army training facilities in Xinjiang and Inner Mongolia, details of which emerged through satellite imagery analysis and insider reports, suggest the technology has achieved remarkable effectiveness under specific conditions. In controlled daylight conditions, observers positioned 150 to 200 meters away reportedly struggled to visually acquire targets wearing the suits, describing them as shimmering distortions rather than solid human figures. At distances beyond 250 meters, detection rates dropped to below 15%, even when observers knew approximately where to look. However, it's crucial to understand the limitations. Current versions of the technology are most effective against visual observation and some optical sensors, but they do not make soldiers invisible to thermal imaging, radar, or other non-visual detection methods. The suits also reportedly consume significant electrical power, with current battery configurations providing only 2 to 3 hours of continuous operation. The units are also relatively fragile, susceptible to damage from rough terrain and combat conditions, and they carry a substantial weight penalty, adding approximately 8 to 12 kilograms to a soldier's load. But dismissing this technology due to current limitations would be a dangerous miscalculation, because the trajectory of development suggests these constraints are temporary. According to defense technology analysts at the Royal United Services Institute, Chinese research institutions are already working on second-generation systems that would address the power consumption issues through integration with portable next-generation battery systems, reduce weight through advanced composite materials, and extend effectiveness across broader electromagnetic spectra. The strategic implications are profound and multifaceted. In scenarios such as a potential Taiwan contingency, even limited deployment of such technology could provide critical tactical advantages. Special operations forces equipped with invisibility suits could conduct reconnaissance, sabotage, and target designation missions with dramatically reduced detection risk. During the critical initial phases of an amphibious assault, units equipped with this technology could establish beachheads while remaining largely invisible to defensive forces, creating confusion and degrading the defender's ability to coordinate effective resistance. According to wargaming scenarios conducted by the United States Indo-Pacific Command and analyzed by participants who spoke on condition of anonymity, the introduction of even partially effective invisibility technology into potential conflict scenarios resulted in significantly degraded defensive capabilities, with detection and engagement timelines extended by 40 to 60% in multiple simulation runs. But perhaps the most significant impact may not be purely tactical, but psychological and strategic. The mere knowledge that an adversary possesses invisibility technology creates what military theorists call ambient uncertainty. Defenders can no longer trust their visual perception, which fundamentally undermines confidence in situational awareness. This uncertainty forces the dedication of additional resources to detection and verification, complicates command decision-making, and creates psychological stress among personnel who cannot be certain whether they are under observation or in immediate danger. And China appears to understand this psychological dimension extremely well. According to analysis of Chinese military doctrine publications and strategic communications, there has been a notable increase in references to what Chinese strategists call perceptual domain operations, the concept that controlling what an adversary perceives and believes may be as important as controlling physical terrain. The development of invisibility technology fits perfectly within this framework, serving as much as a tool of psychological warfare as a tactical asset. Furthermore, this technology does not exist in isolation. China is simultaneously advancing in artificial intelligence, drone swarms, directed energy weapons, and hypersonic systems. The integration of invisibility technology with these other capabilities creates synergistic effects that multiply their individual impacts. Imagine drone swarms that are visually undetectable, or special forces teams that can designate targets for hypersonic strikes while remaining invisible to security forces. The combinations are as numerous as they are concerning. Western military establishments are not standing still. According to budget documents and procurement announcements, the United States, United Kingdom, and Israel have all accelerated their own invisibility and advanced camouflage programs over the past 18 months. The U.S. Army's Integrated Visual Augmentation System and various DARPA programs are exploring similar technological pathways, though most analysts assess that China currently maintains a 2 to 4 year lead in practical battlefield applications. The race is also driving innovation in counter-invisibility technologies. Advanced multispectral sensors, AI-powered anomaly detection systems, and quantum radar technologies are all being developed specifically to counter optical camouflage systems. This creates a classic action-reaction cycle, where each advance in invisibility technology drives corresponding advances in detection technology and vice versa. If you found this analysis valuable, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into emerging military technologies. Share this video with anyone interested in defense and geopolitics, and let me know in the comments what military technology you'd like us to cover next.